The trip computer in your vehicle keeps track of the time and distance you've traveled. But did you know you can keep track of how much further you can go on the fuel you have remaining, as well as the distance for individual trips you take? Let me explain. Your vehicle has a trip computer with several menu options that can be accessed using the 5-way controls on the left side of your steering wheel, and pressing up, down, left, right, and OK to scroll through them. They include distance to empty, which indicates approximately how far you can travel on the remaining fuel in your tank. Trip odometer, which lets you keep track of the distance you travel on an individual trip. Trip timer, which keeps track of how long each one of those trips take. Instantaneous fuel consumption, average fuel, which tells you how much fuel you've used since the last time you reset the trip computer. Average speed, digital speedometer, and all value, which gives you all of your trip, distance, time, and average fuel consumption information. While the odometer constantly tracks the overall distance you've traveled, you can reset your trip odometer anytime you want to track an individual trip. Use the 5-way switch to scroll to either the distance, time, or average fuel screen. Then press and hold the OK button until you see the status bar moving. Once it's complete, your computer will be reset. If you want to reset all of your trip computers, use the 5-way switch on the left side of your steering wheel. Scroll to the All Value screen and press and hold OK until you see that the computer is reset back to 0. Each time you reset a screen, you'll see a loading bar at the bottom. When it fills in all the way, the reset is done. To change display information, from your main menu, go to Settings, Display, then select Navigation, Language, Measure Unit, or Temperature. You can also switch between imperial and metric units on either the distance to empty, average fuel consumption, instantaneous fuel consumption, or average speed displays. Just scroll to the main menu, Settings, then Display. Next, choose either measure unit or distance depending on your vehicle. Select the one you want and press OK. While Ford does not recommend it, you can also turn off the warning and information message chimes by using your 5-way control, scrolling to main menu, Settings, then Chimes in the information display, and pressing the OK button to select on or off. Keep in mind, in some markets, vehicles come equipped with an additional trip computer, Trip 2. It has all the same features as Trip 1 and makes keeping track of multiple trips easier. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.